Now I need to get these 4 tubes ready for anodizing as well. I need to strip the existing anodizing off, and so you guessed it, I am going to use abrasives for this. It's what I know best, and I think we could clean that up pretty quickly without harming these tubes at all. So let's give it a shot. Alrighty, here we are. Tubes are done. Just gotta finish them up by hand, but they are looking pretty good. What's nice about this is you can smooth out any scratches while you're at it, and really didn't take too long. I want to say about 20 minutes a tube. Now there is a certain technique I've found that works pretty good. You want to use the side of the wheel and not the edge. So just like this, and you always want to be moving against that wheel. You don't want to keep it spinning in one spot. It'll kind of wear into that tube. So you really want to keep the shape of the tube. You don't want to have it deformed at all. It'll be really noticeable. So be pretty light with the pressure, and like I said, always be moving. Now for the majority of it, I use the fine grade 6-inch wheel. If you want to speed it up a little bit, you can use the rough grade wheel, although I wouldn't recommend it unless you have a really steady hand with buffing and you've used these wheels before. You can dig into the aluminum pretty quick with this wheel, so just like the fine one, you want to use only the edge of it, and you got to be super light with the pressure. Just do not let that dig in. All right, let's finish this one up by hand. It's looking a little janky. Oh my gosh, that is unreal. Look at that, guys. Now, a couple more pointers when it comes to sanding these. You want to do it in a well-ventilated area or just outside. You don't want to be breathing in those particles from the anodizing or the aluminum. And like I said earlier, make sure you wear a good respirator along with some safety glasses.